Well, tonight with you, my promise is true. Hold close to me, my little darling. If it's cold outside, together we'll hide. Please come stay with me, my little darling. I'll be there to hold you close, keep you safe and warm. No girl, I don't mean you no harm. Every time I kiss your lips, makes you realize affection is no cost.